What's up, guys? Devin's Adventure Hobby Passion back today doing another video. Something slightly different. We got tool automation, or which side's a little better? Both of them kind of suck, but Milwaukee. Just kidding. I'm shooting you. Cut the Milwaukee Sawzall, and we're doing a comparison video. Okay, we're doing an unboxing. We got cardboard. We got 2 batteries, 2 more batteries, and a Sawzall or hacksaw. Alright, so there's the little opening for that, and Keith's charging them for me, if you've seen from there. Super small in comparison. I'm going from this to this.
You got big papa gun, baby gun.
Yeah, I'm gonna open this, so cue the time lapse again. Alright, thank you, Keith, for helping us film. But this is the comparison with same size battery. That's not safety. Brand new, really heavily used. And they're also on dead batteries. So
The fun thing is going to be doing a cut test.
oh, dude, I don't even need to do cut tests. These things are monsters. But alright, yeah, that's just today's video. A real short video. I throw this in the other part of this video would have been getting a 5-inch grinder, 4.5-inch grinder, whatever you want to call it. Milwaukee's grinder. But it was on back order when I ordered all this stuff. So, yeah, it's actually supposed to be here a little later this week. So I might throw that opening into this video. I don't know. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing in my channel, go out and go find your passions and tool deals.